The Bilston Drone Guy.
Well, welcome back to the channel, everybody. A couple of things. First of all, big shout out to everyone who shares and subscribes and puts a like on these videos. It's much appreciated. Secondly, I'd like to apologise for the lack of content of recent. It's been a few months since I uploaded any videos. One reason or another. The weather, illness, but never mind. Today is a beautiful day, gorgeous sunny day here in Bilston, and could do an update today on somewhere that I've previously featured. Going to go and have a look and see what's different there, see what's happening. So come with me, and on the way we've got a few places of interest to have a look at. Well, a couple of places of interest to have a look at. So, without any further ado, let's go and have a look, see what we can find.
I know this building is of no particular interest now, but this site used to be an old people's home. It's no longer an old people's home. It was closed down a couple of years ago due to lack of care of the residents, I believe. But I remember as a young lad, on this site there once stood an old windmill. Now, as I remember, the windmill building was still there, but the sails had long since gone. I don't remember it being an operational windmill, but yeah, Bilston had its own windmill on Mount Pleasant right here, and it was used in later years as a sales place for Portland cement. Bilston Windmill, yeah, used to stand right there. And right next door to where the windmill used to stand is Bilston Library. Built in 1905 by local industrialist Frederick Harper as a private residence, it served as Bilston High School between 1918 and 1930, before being reopened in 1937 as Bilston Library and Art Gallery. In later years, the museum was also added. If you saw a previous video of mine, you'll recall we visited the old art college in Bilston, which was in a very, very sad state of repair. Well, I'm pleased to say that since then, planning permission has now been given for it to be converted into flats, which will at least save the fabulous red brick frontage. Although from ground level it doesn't appear that there's been much work done, as you can see from the drone video, a whole new roof has been put on the building, which will prevent any further decay on the almost gutted out interior. It'll take a long time to get this place renovated with all the work that'll be needed, but eventually it's said that without extra building work around the rear of the property, there will be 64 brand new apartments on this site. I'm just glad that this fabulous frontage won't be lost forever.